In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently set the item location on eBay. Setting your item's location accurately is crucial for potential buyers as it affects search results and shipping calculations. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring your listings are as precise as possible. First, let's start by heading over to eBay's website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, enter your login details to access your dashboard. Now, with your account ready, look towards the main navigation bar at the top of the screen and find the Sell button. Click on Sell to enter your seller's page where you manage all your listings and transactions. On the seller's page, you'll notice various tabs across the top. Click on the Listings tab to view all your current and draft listings. If you're planning to create a new listing, select Create Listing. However, if you've already started a draft and need to continue working on it, simply click on Drafts. Once you're in the Drafts section, scroll to find the specific listing you wish to edit and click on the Resume File Draft link. This will open up the listing for editing where you can make the necessary changes to your item's details. Next, scroll down through your draft settings until you arrive at the Preferences section. This is where we'll be setting the item's location. You should see a pencil icon which indicates that this field can be edited. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon to open up the location settings. Now it's time to type in the precise details for where your item is located. First, enter the country or region where the item resides. This information helps buyers understand the general area where the item will be shipping from and is crucial for international listings. Following this, enter the zip code and city along with the state. Providing a full address isn't necessary, but having accurate city and postal code details can significantly impact shipping estimates and buyer confidence. Once all the fields are filled out to your satisfaction, double-check the information to ensure everything is correct. Accurate details here can prevent any misunderstandings or issues with your potential customers. Finally, once you've confirmed everything is correct, click on Done to save your changes. This action will permanently set the item location for that listing. It's always a good idea to preview the listing afterward to ensure the changes have been applied successfully. And there you have it. You've now learned how to set an item's location permanently on eBay, ensuring your potential buyers have all the information they need. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.